welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for coming back for another video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Monday. In this week's recipe, mini pecan pie bites. Delicious, buttery, flaky, and ooey gooey. Let's get started. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons unsalted melted butter, whisked together. Metric measurements will be listed below. 1/4 cup corn syrup, 1 whisked egg, mix well to combine, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Dash of salt and whisk together. Set that aside and go ahead and prepare your pie crust. I'm using store-bought. Flour your work surface and preheat your oven. And that'll be 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Using a 3-inch cookie cutter, cut 12 rounds. We'll be using a 12-count muffin tin. In your muffin tin, grease with oil first. Line your rounds, and with a tiny mason jar or any spice jar, go ahead and press those firmly but not too hard. Next up, drop 1 tablespoon of the chopped pecans, then 1 tablespoon of the mixture goes over top, and a whole pecan to finish. Bake for 25 minutes and cool completely. Use a butter knife to remove from the muffin holes. And there you have it, easy peasy. Go ahead and get those onto a cooling rack. They are absolutely buttery, flaky, and ooey gooey with that pecan flavor that you just can't beat this time of year. If you've never tried these, worth a try. And if you love pecan pie, this is a go-to. I hope you like this week's recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for new videos every Monday. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.